In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert or flip your camera in Google Meet. This quick tutorial will help you present your best self during virtual meetings by ensuring your image is oriented exactly the way you want it. Let's get started by opening up Google Calendar, which is usually where many of us have our Google Meet links stored. So head over to your Google Calendar by simply navigating to calendar.google.com. Once there, you'll see your schedule laid out, and you're going to look for the specific meeting you'd like to join. Click on that meeting to open up the event details page, revealing all the options and the meeting link itself. Once you've clicked into your scheduled meeting, you should see a Join with Google Meet button. That's your gateway to joining the video call. Go ahead and click that button, and it will open up Google Meet in a new tab, bringing you one step closer to connecting with your colleagues or friends. Now, in the Google Meet waiting room, you'll see the Join Now option. Clicking on this confirms your entrance to the meeting, where you'll be able to adjust your camera settings. Within the meeting interface, look for the settings that allow you to manipulate or adjust your video feed. Specifically, what we want is the mirror mode for Google Meet. It provides the option to flip your camera view so that what you see on your screen matches what others see. This is particularly handy for ensuring all text or directional gestures appear correctly to everyone else in the meeting. You'll find the mirror mode setting by checking the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to hover your mouse over the video thumbnail to reveal additional options. Locate the mirror mode toggle and you'll see a checkbox that can be either ticked or unticked depending on your preference. By ticking the checkbox, your camera feed will flip, creating a mirror image. Unticking the box will revert it to the standard view. Make sure to experiment with both settings to see which one works better for your situation. Adjusting the mirror mode can significantly improve the clarity of your presentations, especially if you're showing written content or need your gestures to align correctly with your spoken instructions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take a moment before your meeting starts to make these adjustments to ensure you're perfectly set up. This way, you can focus on the conversation at hand without worrying about technical hiccups. I hope this guide has been helpful, and that you're now feeling confident to toggle the camera orientation in Google Meet effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.